Hi everyone, my name is Lauren and today we're going to be making a video about must pack items for Northeast college winters. I grew up in New Jersey, so it was routinely snowy there. This year I'm a freshman at Darmouth College, which is in New Hampshire, and it's routinely -3, -2 degrees Fahrenheit. So there's a lot to be learned about this new change of environment. The first thing that I would absolutely recommend is getting a heavy coat, usually like a down jacket. Ideally, it should be roughly mid-thigh, and you should definitely have a hood. You're probably going to be seeing a lot of like Canada Goose or North Face. You don't need to get designer or anything. Just make sure to invest in a solid down jacket. I would also recommend these hand warmers. It basically sets off a chemical reaction and it'll keep your hands warm for like 2 to 4 hours. They're perfect for, if you're taking a walk, taking a hike, or going skiing, and you can just keep them in your pockets. And there's also foot warmers or toe warmers that you can put in your boots. I would also really recommend a humidifier. It gets really dry, especially with the heat blasting. To prevent nosebleeds, I would really recommend a humidifier. And you put some water in it. You can even put some essential oils, and it'll make your space really nice. The next thing on my list is mugs or any thermal water bottles. Okay, another thing that I didn't know that I had to have was waterproof makeup. So in the summers, I usually liked to use like regular L'Oreal mascara and it would be perfectly fine. Now, since we're wearing our masks, there's a lot of condensation that goes up into our mask and it melts our makeup, and it's really annoying. So if it's waterproof, it wouldn't melt. The ones that I use are over here. I also like using like an eyelash primer just to make sure the curl stays up as well. But honestly, recently I've kind of just been using eyeliner by e.l.f. It's like a $2 eyeliner, and that works really well and doesn't melt at all either. Of course, you're gonna want to layer up. So that means scarves, a winter hat or a winter headband, gloves. I would recommend having 2 types of gloves. One that is waterproof, so if you're gonna have like a snowball fight, if you want to like touch the snow, you won't have to worry about it seeping through. But also I would recommend some non-waterproof ones that are a lot lighter, and that's just for your everyday wear. And back to staying moisturized, I would also recommend bringing like a lot of lotion for your hands, for your face, for your body. Your hands can get really dry around this time, and you don't want cracks in your skin and you don't want to start bleeding, so definitely have some lotion on with you. And then for your lips, I would also recommend either having a really heavy duty chapstick. I really like the Ultra Conditioning one by Burt's Bees, but I've also been using Vaseline because that one's really cheap. Another must-have essential is Cleated winter boots. You're gonna have to be walking around on campus a lot, and a non-slip pair, something that keep your feet warm, is absolutely essential. And some other things that you might want for your dorm room are throw pillow, some fuzzy slippers, leg warmers, thick socks, and also I would recommend getting a pair of snow pants or fleece-lined leggings. So fleece-lined leggings are the ones that go underneath, and then the snow pants are basically waterproof pants if you ever want to go sledding or go skiing. I hope that really helped. Check out my other socials if you want. Follow Niche if you want as well. Yeah, have fun, stay warm, stay safe.